Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Tania Septiani. My NPM 112114005 at Universitas Teknologi Digital Bandung. Language is not only made up of words. Numbers are also important to communication or talk. So today we talk about some common English experience that as number. Let's start with zero and the experience to zero in. Zeroing in means direction all of your attention on something or someone. We often say with that something is, for example, the device. Lawyers were able to zero in on the testimony of an important witness and find problem with it. Here is another example. I know a woman we can zero in on anything relationship problem and find a solution. This experience can also mean to take aim directly at something. For example, when taking a picture, a photographer might zero in a subject, and it is the job of a quarterback in American football game to zero in on receiver, the player catching the ball.